Guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle, and the last puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper, but in the yesterday's edition, Saturday, October the 8th, 2022. Because today we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku, and now it's time for the cipher block. Yes, in Dutch they call it cipher block. In English, the tectonic. Yes, this will be number 5303. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yes, should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits, and it's also indicated with 1 star. And 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Is this really a 1-star? We will see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box. Always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have here in this puzzle a dual box? No. Dual boxes, triple boxes then. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and 4. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the 1 could be everywhere. Quadra box, only 1. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures that you need to recognize. For example, we have this shape, the L shape. Yeah, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah, it's already filled in. More L shapes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, oh, well, this is too high. Should be come on, should be lower. Alright. Toetsenbord. Hey. Should be lower. Here. Should be here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah. Well, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Oh, overlook this L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3 of them out of 6. Yeah, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 figures, shapes, construction or structures that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 should be here in this area. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So these two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2. And the 4, 2 and 4, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then these two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers. Oh, made a mistake. Made a mistake here because we have a 5 there. So these two boxes can be 5. That box can be, this box should be a 5. Oh, overlooked. I'm quick with recovering the error. So this box should be a 5. Can it be a 4, of course? I don't know why I put the 4 there. Well, these two boxes can be a 5, so 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. No, the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there, okay. Now it's dry. This is 5, okay. I think this box should be a 5 also. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, those two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then well, this box can be 4, this box can be 5, so the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, so 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 2. These two boxes can be 1, those two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, well, I cannot place a 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 supposed to be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Alright. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be so a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 it goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you I need to be faster than 15 minutes because it's an easy tectonic to solve. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. No, later. Well, if I have the spare time, I will do the summarized Sudoku. Cannot promise you. We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now. Otherwise, we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now. Yes.